Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Arpo kandaingut ki MDC bala syaji Thymmai saka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council gila sya Pynbam Smai haka arpanyo teri urumpang ajabsan baro arpo prangut ki MDC Thymmai gila bam Smai ketien pareng la nyo bat kitos tarwel khan ubala bam Smai haka ketien kasi ya ki MDC la Pynbam Smai da ka Deputy Commissioner jo ke East Khadc Hills District Kong Rosita M Kurba haka bala sakilang da ki ibahayang hasem jong ki MDC
36 dated 25 February 2025, the Governor has fixed today, the 27th February 2025, as the first meeting of the reconstituted District Council for the administration of an oath or affirmation to the newly elected members as required under Rule 24 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts Constitution of the District Council Rules 1951 as amended. Before administering the oath, I would like to offer my congratulations to all the newly elected members of this August House, and also to impress upon each one of you that this is a very important and auspicious occasion where you are going to take a pledge to serve the people and to faithfully discharge duties upon which you are about to enter with true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India. Now, the Secretary of the District Council will call over the name of the members.
I, Dr. Smai, having elected as a member of Khadc's Autonomous District Council, I do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, having been elected as member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Khadc's Autonomous District Council solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Smai Rashid, having been elected as a member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God. I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, having been elected as member of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I,
I, Shri Pynbam Lamantong, having been elected as member of Khadc of the District Council, firmly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about.
I, Khadc Smai, having been elected as member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Na Batitos Tarwerkan, Belasyaji pengikut Pura juga Kasih Autonomous District Council, na Smai kuat break, bangan trego, bat bangan buat berhenti, ia akan disensar juga India ketuntaan, belabu, bat bangan trego, nak mendapat kamu, ia akan belaban siapa.
I, Pynbam, having been elected as a member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Sekolah Bapak, having been elected as a member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Pynbam Lamantong, having been elected as member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Thymmai, having been elected as member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Winston Tolindo, having been elected as member of Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Khadc, having been elected as member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, to swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Having been elected as a member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I am Khadc, having been elected as a member of the Khadc Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Khadc, having been a member of the City Council, solemnly affirm that I will faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law association, and I will faithfully discharge the duty of which I am about to enter. Islam Rikasi Kudishbun Kudishaka.
I, Khadc, will be elected as member of the City Council. Do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you. I, Pedro Alonga, will be elected as member of the City Council. Do swear to God, solemnly affirm that I will bear faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Having been elected as a member of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Lancaster Mordinang, have been elected as a member of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.